Lutherlyn is a God-given place to be accepted, challenged, and sent out in the world to make a difference, to let your light shine. Lutherlyn is summer camp, retreats and events, environmental education, the equestrian center, and adventure programs. Lutherlyn is an outdoor ministry of the Northwestern and Southwestern Pennsylvania Synods of the Evangelical Lutheran Church in America. Lutherlyn is community. Lutherlyn is a family. Lutherlyn is yours. We invite you to participate in the Building for the Future campaign and in all the programs that Lutherlyn has to offer in providing life-changing adventures in faith.
Lutherlyn offers an experience of nature and of faith community and a connection that goes beyond the generations.
People leave this place and say, oh my gosh, I never heard the story of Jesus in that way, or I never thought of my faith in that way. And I think it is the context paired with the message that makes all the difference.
Lutherlyn is a place where people can come and experience God in ways that they haven't experienced God before, with different people and a different setting and new friends. They don't have to carry the baggage from the past, but they can be themselves in a place like Lutherlyn.
Lutherlyn is a community. People of all ages can come together, share together, learn together, and be together in many, many ways.
Lutherlyn has this awesome vibrancy of the environmental education program, which is so cool. It dives into being in relationship with creation or with nature, the environment, and we live that out during the summer when we play and when we talk about how we are in relationship with God, and I love that. That's one of my favorite things that this place does so well.
I just love that no matter what time of year it is, no matter who you go with, you'll just always have a great time.
Lutheran camping has been a huge part of our lives. We actually met working at a Lutheran church camp. And since we've lived in Western Pennsylvania, our kids have gone to camp here. We have one kid on staff here now.
We just are really committed to this ministry. We feel that for our family, it's really important for our kids to be able to experience this intentional Christian community.
I think that's what the Capital Campaign is about, upgrading the existing quality of the camp in a way that it becomes attractive to first-timers.
There's a need to clean up some of the dilapidated or no longer useful buildings and other things on the property, the campus of the camp.
5 new cabins. We'll eliminate the use of the cinder block cabins. We'll have all of our campers and our volunteers housed in similar housing on main camp, close to the dining hall. It will allow our retreat groups to arrive, particularly in the winter when they arrive in the dark, to a space that is welcoming, easy to find, accessible to all of the areas on main camp.
We need to find ways to be more hospitable and to have cabins that are comfortable for people of all ages and all levels of physical ability as well.
The Amphitheater is such a special place to the cycle of a summer week. It becomes this place that people draw together and are reminded that they are children of God and that they carry this light with them. And it happens in that space.
Campers for years and years have experienced that closing affirmation worship service there. And it's sinking and shifting and is at the point that it requires a lot of upkeep and maintenance. And so it needs to be renovated so that it can be used safely and so that it can serve campers well into the future and provide many more memories.
I will be personally giving to the Capital Campaign because for me, it is the experience of those children and youth and young adults who come here and return with joy and excitement.
I've been coming to camp since summer of 2015, and some things I love about camp are the family that you make here and like all the friends that you make.
I really just like the different things you can do, like the ropes course in the rec building and like the lake, and like I also just really like the food.
You really get to bond with your cabin group and you feel close to God.
I think through the eyes of children, the excitement of coming to camp, to sharing with others, to know that they're going to be in good hands, to know the good news of Jesus Christ. And that's something where you see a sparkle in their eye at the end and an anticipation at the beginning of their time here.
My wife and I will be giving to this campaign because this has been a place that has taught the faith to our children, that has helped them mature, that has been a tremendous asset in their life.
All those things take financial resources to make them happen. So I will be happy to contribute to the campaign because it's needed, and we need to be ready for the present and the future at Lutherlyn.